So, I've finally thought it over and I want to help you out with the Europe thing.
Hey.
You can't be here suffering now.
But Betsy, don't you think it will be too much on you? The money you will spend will be so much. I suggest you give me some money. Let me start a small business here in the village. That way I can take care of my mom also.
That's a lazy person talk. Why give you fish when you can fish for yourself? Go to Europe and hustle. Legit business, legit work. Make money so you can build a mansion, buy a car and take care of your mother. You can't wallow in poverty like this now.
You're right. So far it's very sweet though. I would like to go. But Betty, another thing is, you know I didn't go to the university. I only have JSSC. How will I get a good job?
Don't worry about that. There are women who work in government, Nigerian women, who have offices where they can give you office work. Yes. You don't have to do anything bad. You work in an office and you make money to take care of yourself and your mother. Like I said earlier.
It's good though.
You have to donate to it too. I can't do the visa wahala and then begin to give you money for BTA. Make sure you have a family member or somebody that can help you with at least BTA.
You know everything now. You're not another person. I don't have a dime on me. If I had, I would have taken Mama to a better hospital.
My sister, I'm leaving. I can't do all that. No. You have to make contact. Call your family members or call somebody, anybody that will donate something. BTA, I'll pay the BTA too.
Hey.
No.
Okay, no problem. I'll look out for how I can help. I really want to go with you. Thank you so much.
No problem. That's what I came to tell you.
There's someone I want you to meet, my boyfriend. Yes,
your boyfriend?
He's coming, just...
Are you serious? Okay, what's his name?
Dozie.
Hey, he's coming here. Oh, I'm waiting. I must see him. Are you serious?
So, seriously, I'm here thinking how we can get this money.
But I can talk to her. I can tell her to go with you instead of me.
No, I'm still schooling. We have to go. When you get there, you can send for me. By that time, I'll be done with school.
How do we get money now? We don't have any money with us now.
My daughter, Obodoyiwo, you must go to Obodoyiwo. No matter what it will take us. We will sell our land to raise the money. I can even sell my jewelries and clothes. Obodoyiwo, Amanda, Iruchania, you will go to Obodoyiwo.
I can sell my goats, my hens. Even if it's not enough, I'll run around and look for how to raise money. You must go. There is no way this opportunity cannot slip out like that. You must go.
Thank you, my love. Thank you so much.
Fine, you don't need to thank me. My own is if you get there, remember where you come from. At least you've seen where we are. Please, oh.
It's okay. I will never forget you too. Mama, once I get there and I settle, you and Jose will be the first people I will invite to.
Oh, no. Here we come.
Go. Stop thanking me or saying thank you. Thank you for what? He's telling me thank you.
That is Dozie. Dozie, you have finished me, Dozie. You have killed me. Mama, what kind of a son are you? You have killed me.
What happened?
Did you sell the land at Uzana? I went out to farm this morning, Dozie, and Wakibe told me that you sold the land to him. How dare you?
Mama, I
You did what? Talk!
I say it's true that I sold it.
Hey! So you actually sold the land? You sold the only piece of land I have, Dozie!
Mama, but I will replace it.
You will replace what?
I will replace it.
You will replace it?
Mama, what? Mama!
You will replace
Mama, I will
what?
replace.
You will replace what?
Dozie sold all he had to support me. My mom sold all her belongings. Even our piece of land we sold all. And then I traveled with Cleopatra. When we got to Italy, Cleopatra insisted I must pay her for everything she has spent on me. She calculated it and she said I was going to give her 10,000 euro for bringing me to Italy, and then 8,000 euro for settlement, which I did. I paid all that.
Wait, settlement? Settlement for what exactly?
I wouldn't want to discuss that now. It would be a story for another day. I sent her money. Lots of money to build my mother's house. It's okay. I sent a car so that she can employ a driver to be driving my mom. She used my money to build her own house.
It's okay.
My mother died under a leaky roof. Come on, person with this heartless.
This is really pathetic. Now I understand. It's okay. Clean your tears. Stop crying. I will help you. I will help you get a good lawyer. That is all I can do.
You must settle me. You must settle me. You must settle me.
His ticket is still here.
They don't bring money now.
But TP.
Oh, that's so bad, but they don't bring cash.
I beg, if they come, we might go.
Okay, but they will bring money first.
Good day, madam.
Good day.
Oibo?
How are you?
Fine.
I'm here to see a friend. Her name is Amanda.
Amanda, I'm sorry she's not here.
Sorry, but Patrick told me she's here.
Amanda is dead. She died of heart attack.
What?
Yes.
Amanda's dead.
She's dead.
No, I don't believe this shit. You can tell me that shit.
Hey, don't do that here.
Oibo, you don't die now. No, kidnapper, baby.
What do you mean? Amanda's dead.
He's a kidnapper. Don't waste time now.
Please, you can go outside.
Sorry, officer. Amanda's dead.
She's dead.
You mean she?
You can do that outside.
See, I don't like all these things. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I don't even like it. Eh? Why am I involved in all this small thing there? I don't like it. See, you just need to understand one thing. The truth about it is that Amanda is dead and she's gone for good. You just have to allow everything to lie.
No. N-O. No. I want to make life complicated for her.
See, there's one thing I don't even like about you. You don't even understand. You don't understand the grievances of every man. The way I'm feeling now, I don't even like it. You need to understand me. You see, you want to make life miserable for her. How? How do you intend to do that? How?
Listen to me, bro. I once spoke to Amanda about Cleo. She told me Clopara's weak point. That's why I need your help. Just this last time. Please.
How can I help you? Where will I start from? How?
Your confidence. And you're smart.
Smart.
Man, just do this for me. I'll pay you $5,000.
Don't. What's our weakness?
She loves fair guys.
Fair guys. But I'm not fair. Not even handsome. So, where can we start from? If you pay me this, what about the handsome guy?
And $5,000 extra.
I've been helping you now. See, my grandmother used to call me helper. I am helping you already. See, we need to start from somewhere. The handsome guy, we need to hire a car for him. Yes.
That's not needed. Thanks.
Anything for you.
She can do anything.
Move the car out of the road. Are you deaf? Are you blind? Can't you see the car is faulty? Push it out or I set it ablaze. What did you just say? Push it out or I set it ablaze. Something wrong with you. Do you even know the son of whom you are talking to? Do you know my boss? Who is your boss? Can't you see the car is faulty and I'm trying to fix it?
She doesn't care at all. If it's a royal corner,
What's your name?
My name is Collins. Collins Osadebe.
Collins. Are you related to the senator?
I am his only son.
Oh. Good. Plus you look good.
Thank you.
So what's wrong with your car?
Well, I don't know what is wrong with the car. It's actually not my car, it's a friend's car.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah.
How about I give you a lift and then you can come back and get your car later?
That would be awesome, but I wouldn't want them to vandalize my friend's car.
Oh yes, I see your point. But it's okay.
Nice to meet you.
Patra.
Collins.
Pleasure. My guys can come back and take your car, but I still take care of it now while I give you a lift back home.
Thank you.
What a greedy woman be. What a selfish woman be. Oh, they were desperate. Anyanya na job. She is ready to do anything because of money. Oh, Cleopatra. Kilo, she not a jump with money. She can do anything as far as money is concerned.
What do you do for a living?
I manage my father's hotels and a fleet of fuel stations.
That's great.
Thank you.
It's nice. Are you single?
Very much single.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Oh, did I say welcome to my house?
Amazing place you have.
Wait till I show you around. Come on. A small living room. The main one is upstairs.
Aha. I can see. You have the same taste as my father.
I love good things. I really do.
You need to see one of his magnificent edifices in the city of Asaba.
Oh, really?
Beautiful.
You should see upstairs. Let me show you. Honey. Honey.
Hey, what's this? Honey, I just asked, who is he?
Let's go.
Nice chandelier. What do we call this now? Cleo, you have no atom of respect for me. Cleo! Open this door. Cleo! Are you serious?
Cheers again. You sure you don't want to join me take a cold shower?
No. Mathematic. I will take a warm bath later.
Oh, that's fine. I feel really stucky, like sweating. Let me just...
Okay.
Alright. I'm coming.
See you soon.
Alright. I'll be back.
Don't waste time.
I will.
As I speak to you now, she has taken him to her house.
Why? He should have taken her to a hotel or something, because I don't want him to groove.
Oh, no. The Collins I know will not groove. I trust him before I give him the job.
I believe in you.
You can always believe me.
Man, I can't wait to get it down.
See, I gave him your number. He will soon call you.
Brilliant.
Anyways, you see, you need to stop coming here. I don't want her to see you here. She even asked me if I know you or ever seen you before, but I denied not to ever seen you before.
Sorry, 1 minute. Hello? Where? Oh, alright. Good news.
Who was that?
It's Collins.
Collins.
Yeah, you want me to meet him behind the church?
Wonderful. I trust him. That's a good one. I think it's a good news.
I'll forever work with you.
And always ready to work for you.
More for you.
And more for you.
Say more.
More?
That's my nigga.
You need to hurry up now.
Drink something.
No. You need to start going now. Like,
No, I'm good. That's just my fucking lifestyle. I'm good.
remember,
You know what I'm going through, man.
you have something on your
Fuck.
You have something on your hands. Hurry. You need to hurry now.
I'm going. How are you?
Oh, my nigga. Let me return back to duty.
But don't lose hope, like if ever Meredy, tomorrow go better. Don't lose hope, don't lose hope, like if ever Meredy, tomorrow go better. Don't lose hope, I can't believe this. Oh, ekwukwara m ọtụtụ mmiri, mwanya banyo. I suffered so much for this money. You must pay me my money, oh.
That's great. Oh, you see, do not harm her until you're sure she's safe, okay?
Sure. You get a call from me.
I'll be waiting for your call.
Peace.
But safe, man.
Sure thing.
Watch your back.
You must settle me, some people are wicked in this life, oh. So be careful the way you trust. Be careful who you serve. Don't put your key of happiness in someone's pocket, yo. Cause not everyone meant well for your future.
Nze,
Yes.
from what has been going on, I can simply agree with you that Cleopatra is guilty.
Is it not too late? You're realizing it now. When it was hot, I told you what to do. But you claimed to know your sister's daughter better.
I think I need a lawyer.
Then go and look for one, if you then need a lawyer.
But you will help me.
I can't help you. You can do whatever you can to save your sister.
She not the show us at all. She not the show regard at all. Imerayama on your working job. If you do good to her, she will do bad to you. Imata no neme. Ikwelu God in a one. No will go she well pada. Nanki baswo. She have a negative mind. Kilo, kilo. You have a negative mind. Kilo, kilo. Kilo patrol. Kilo, kilo. She not the jump with money. She can do anything.
Hey, those young one I want some. Where's your jumper? No, you know. Why are you angry? Are you angry because she's dead? Eh? Ha! That stuff's her right now. Whatever a man sow, that he shall reap. So don't be angry, okay?
Who is dead?
The wicked Amanda now.
Amanda is dead?
Haven't you heard?
No, I just heard it now. How? When?
Dead, not dead.
Amanda dead. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. Mama, Cleo is hurting me.
How do you mean?
Mama, can you imagine Cleo brought a boy to our house and they made me sleep in the guest room while they slept in the bedroom?
Hey! Mwan Kim. Mwan, calm down, eh? Calm down, okay? Until she take you to that Obodoyibo, please calm down for me now. Calm down for your mommy now, please.
Mama, you don't even understand how painful it is for a boy to sleep with a woman you call your wife in your own house, your matrimonial bed. You don't understand how it feels. That's why you're saying this thing.
My baby, please, calm down for mommy, eh? Calm down until you get what you want to. You know what we are looking for. Obodoyibo, here you come.
You just acted as if I don't exist one bit. Even pour drink on me. Can you imagine?
Calm down, Just calm down, my baby, please, calm down, okay?
I'm going to leave this godforsaken country and focus on my life.
You will leave, okay? Don't worry.
She can do anything as far as money is concerned. Kilo, she not a jump with money. Anything she wants.
Please, Cleopatra. Yes, help me and check the briefcase and see if the gold ring is there because I can't find it inside my car.
Gold ring? I haven't even opened the briefcase yet.
Yeah, I can't find it. I can't find it. Please.
Let me check.
She's a dangerous woman. Don't do business with her. You go regret them later. My God, the Punjab man. She can do anything as far as money is concerned. She not a jump with money. Anything she want, she dey go for it, yo. Kilo, she not a jump with money. She doesn't care at all. If I sorrow ya gone.
Collins.
Yeah, what is it?
My money is gone.
What money?
Money in my briefcase.
Money?
Yes.
Money?
Yes, the money. God. That rogue. Jesus Christ.
Babe, please calm down. Okay? Just calm down. How much is it?
Dossier! Madam. Where is Dossier?
You mean your husband?
Are you mad? I said, where is he?
He just drove out, man.
Drove out to where? Just drove out. He drove out to where?
I don't know where.
Ah!
Welcome, sir.
Where's the money?
Which money?
I'm not playing games with you. Where is my money and the gold ring?
What are you talking about?
I need that money right now.
Which money? I don't have your money.
Hey! Lock that gate. Yes, ma'am. Do not allow him move an inch.
Yes, ma'am.
Young man, why would you be stealing from her? Huh? You mad?
Where is my money?
I don't have your money. Which money are you talking about?
The one in the briefcase.
I don't know. I don't have any money. Have I stolen from you before?
Just take it easy.
Don't move an inch. Not one word from you. Don't move an inch until I get the money back.
Which money are you talking about?
This is serious business. This is serious. I need that money. I need the gold chain, else people will fall.
Are you have I ever stolen from?
Young man, why you?
Will you shut?
Why are you stealing from her?
Don't move an inch. I just told you. Lock the gate.
What is really going? I don't have your money. What, have I ever stolen from you before?
No.
So why are you asking me of money?
Because you took it. The money in the briefcase with the gold ring. Don't move. Oh my God. I'm in a mess. Oh my God.
Just calm down, okay?
Calm down. I can't calm down. I'm in a mess.
Alright, how much is it? Is this something I can give you?
$30,000.
What?
God, I have a thief in my house.
Who could have stolen such a amount from you?
Who else? If not the rogue I have in my house. Hello, DPO. I have a criminal in my house and I need for you to arrest that boy right now. Right now! God, I'm going to kill his entire family if I don't find that money.
Please calm down, okay? Alright, I'll give you some money next week. Okay?
Ah! I'm in a mess!
Relax.
Don't be. Oh my God. Oh. Ah!
Is there something we can do? How can we fix it? Let's figure out a way to sort it out, okay?
Baby, what's going on? I can't steal from you, for crying out loud. I can't steal your money.
Then where? I mean, you don't have it, so who has it?
I don't know. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You're going to get skinned alive if I don't get that gold ring and the money.
Look, can you please stop this? I don't have your money nor your gold ring. I can help you go inside and search for it.
You are the only one who has a spare key to my room. My boys can't steal from me because they are under oath. So who stole it?
Oh my God, have I ever stolen from you?
I don't care. Take him away. Take him away, officer. You'll be skinned alive today. Take him away.
I don't have your money for... Officer, just wait. She's my woman. Let me talk to her. Cleo!
Who is this woman? Who is your woman? Who is this woman?
Cleo, you, Cleo, have you asked your boys?
My boys can't steal from me. Didn't you just hear me? They are under oath.
Don't you have a CCTV in this house?
I don't. I'm looking for my gold ring.
Chloe. Chloe, are you okay?
I never believed Cleo would do this to me. She made everything look real. I should have known. I should have known she was using me.
You should have trusted Amanda. But you chose money over love and trust.
I've been calling her, her number is not connecting.
But why?
I can't tell. But I heard Cleo is back. So I'll go and see her and know what is really going on.
Cleopatra is back?
Yes, I heard she's opening her new house on Sunday.
Please, try and see her.
Sure.
Maybe she might have something for us from Amanda.
Sure, I will. I'll see her now.
Thank you.
I'm looking for Cleopatra.
My madam?
Yes.
Come inside. Come with me, come.
I should come?
Just stand here.
Okay.
Forward.
Cleo.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. I heard you came back, so
Oh yes, I've been around for a couple of days now, but I've been really busy.
I see. Wow.
How are you?
I'm okay. Well, you've seen me now. No leave, no transfer.
You still look good.
I like this. Thank you.
Would you want to come in for a drink?
Exactly, because I want us to
talk. Oh, yes, yeah, sure, please.
Yes. Okay.
Come in.
Thank you.
You've really transformed. I mean, you've changed into a very handsome man.
Like this?
Well, I like the beers.
You see, the thing is, we've been calling Amanda on the phone for the past 2 weeks, and her number has not been connecting. Her mother is very sick. There is no money to take her to hospital. Even the money I borrowed when she was traveling, the people I borrowed the money, they are threatening my life. I sold my father's land to settle the money, but it's still not enough. I don't know how to reach her.
Oh, God, Dozie, you really need to be strong. I mean, what I'm about to tell you is going to break you into 1,000 pieces, but it just won't be fair if I don't tell you.
Did anything happen to her?
No. She's alive and fine. Just that she went the wrong way.
I don't understand. Is there anyone you can give me her number to call at least? She needs to send money.
You see, yes, it's important. But she's gone the wrong way. Before she left, I told her, I'm trying to help you. You need to live right. Do not involve yourself in escort work or prostitution. She went there and she betrayed me.
I don't understand what you mean.
Amanda. Prostitution. I mean, worst of all, she's involved with someone who uses her as a sex slave. It's terrible.
No, that cannot be possible.
Simple I said. When they called me and told me, I said that cannot be possible. Until I saw it with my own eyes. It's sad. I even spoke with her and I told her, Amanda, you have to send money to your mother. She said, no. She said, Cleo, I'm never coming back. And I said, how can you do that to your mother and Dozier? Cleo, I do not care. The heart of man is indeed wicked.
Betrayal of trust and friendship on the wonder. Betrayal of trust and friendship is painful. You have seen that being too nice can be dangerous sometimes. Oh, but don't lose heart. Makife Faberegi, Narogo better. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Makife Faberegi, Narogo better. Don't lose hope. I can't believe this. Oh, ebukwalo mo tutu mmiri. Mwanya banyo, ebem na chuego.
How can Amanda do this to me? After everything I did for her. Where am I going to get money to pay back all the money I borrowed? How? What will I do now?
You must settle me.
Women can be so wicked. Women can be so heartless.
You must settle me. Some people are wicked in this life, oh. So be careful.
Did you see her? Amanda has failed us. What is it? Cleo told me what she does in Italy. I could not believe my ears. Amanda has lost it completely.
What does she do?
Mama, prostitution. Amanda is now doing her shower work in Italy. As I'm talking to you now, she's married to a white man.
Does he? I don't believe that. Amanda can never do such a thing.
Mama, that's what Cleo told me now. Cleo can't lie against her. They live there together.
Does he? Are you sure my daughter is still alive? Okay. Did she give you any number with which we can reach her?
There is no number, Mama. She cut us off. There is no number. She even swore that she will not come back to this country again. We have lost. In fact, me, I have lost it all. My father's land, gone. All the money I borrowed from people, gone. Nothing to show for it. The money I borrowed from Anya Foka is gone. How will I go about it?
You say stop. It's not true. I don't believe that.
After everything, Amanda chose to betray me like this. After everything.
Don't say that. Amanda.
No wonder.
Amanda.
How can people be so heartless? Your own mother. Your own mother.
It's terrible. I know how you feel. I can help. I can turn things around for you because you're a good man. I can even buy you a car tomorrow.
Are you serious?
I swear I love your BS. Oh yes, I mean I want to help. I just feel you've been betrayed and I can help.
It's clear. The only thing I want to do is to pay back the money. They're on my neck. I need to pay them back. They're threatening my life.
Yes, of course you have to pay them back. And I can help. Oh God, I feel so terrible. You're turning pink. You're so worried. I know. Yes. Oh yes, about that. I want to help. I think I should help.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Oh yes, do you care for anything like a drink or food?
No, I'm okay.
Sure? I get it. You're so worried.
Okay. Where have you been? Huh? I've been looking for you.
But the worst has happened.
What happened?
Reports reaching me now is that Amanda has married a white man.
Hey!
That's exactly why she stopped picking our call. In fact, she changed her number because she married a white man. Can you imagine, Mama? Can you imagine, Amanda?
She may boom. Okay. Amanda. Okay. Hey!
I won't say much.
Hey! Dozier, what about the money? Eh? You see what your stupid love has landed you into? You see, oh, I want my land back, oh. Whatever you know you're going to do to get that land back for me, go and do it now.
Think now. It's not just about the land now. All the promises we made to each other before she traveled, didn't go. I'm telling you what is bothering me. You're talking of land. Is it only land? Eh?
It is not me and you who is going to think about how to move forward or not. All I want is my land. Go and say, if you know how you are going to do it and get me my money back. Simple. Ha!
Amanda.
Yeah. Dozier, tell me, how much did you even sell that land? How much? Talk now!
I sold it for 1 million, but Cleo has promised to give me the money. It was actually Cleo that told me of this development. It was Cleo that told me of this development.
Cleo, eh? Oh, my baby Cleo. She promised to give you 1 million naira. Eh? Hey! But why should Adamma do this?
I don't know. I was even told that she was doing prostitution before she now settled down with the white man. So much stories. Amanda just forgot everything we shared together, everything I did for her.
So all her love
everything I did for Amanda, everything I did for her.
Now fake love, oh. Now fake love. You see am now? You see you? In as much as that sweet girl has promised to pay that 1 million naira. What happened to your trip now? Your travel to Obodo Oyibo? Now that one is very important.
Now let me think first.
Obodo Oyibo, don't think. Think about Obodo Oyibo. Ah!
She made me believe that my woman is evil, whereas she is the main evil. She's the devil.
That is what you call misfortune. It's not enough reason for you to steal from her.
I did not steal from her. I did not steal. I'm innocent. I did not steal.
Mr. Man, when the right time comes, you will confess.
I did not steal. That's the whole truth. I did not steal. Please let me go.
That fly thinks she can fool me. Hell no. Hell no. I will deal with her. Yes, I will deal with her. What nonsense. What nonsense. Exactly.
My fiancé stole from me.
What rubbish are you saying? Where is my gold ring?
That's what I'm trying to explain to you. It was stolen from me. I thought you had found it already.
Are you not? The gold ring was in that briefcase. Where is it?
Saying the same thing, Don. The briefcase was stolen. Has been stolen.
You are trying to play fast on me.
No, nothing like that. Nothing of that sort. It's... a useless man stole from me.
Now listen to me. I give you 48 hours to return my money. Else, I will bury you alive. And if you don't mind, leave this place this very moment before I will do something that you will not like.
What do I do now? I need to call the police. They have to torture him until he says the truth. He has to confess. He must.
She's a dangerous woman. Don't do business with her. You go regret them later. My God, the Panjam Madu. She might jump with money.
Where is the money? How can you buy the thing that fed you? How can you steal from me? Listen, if I don't get that money, I'm going to wipe out your entire family, your mother inclusive. I'm sure you have seen. Money answers all things. If I don't get that money, I'm going to spend money and I'm going to get you assassinated. I need that money and the gold ring.
I did not take your money.
What are you doing here?
We had a deal. Where's she?
I don't know. I've asked them to bail her.
What? I thought you asked someone to poison her, didn't you?
No.
I'm gonna give you a second chance. I'm either dead or alive. I fucking don't care how much it's gonna cost you. Except you don't want your gold or money from Dundee.
Wait, how did you know about the ring and the money? How did you get into my house?
You know, men like us, we don't play. We fucking don't play. I use what you like as a bait. A hungry fish, you're a cat.
Collins! My God. Listen,
I will set a fight between you and Don B. And you know it's gonna consume you.
Wait. I'll find her. I don't know how, but I'll try. Just give me the gold ring first.
I give you 5 seconds. Talk to me.
I just told you, give me the gold ring. I'll try everything I can to get her out.
7 seconds. Talking rubbish.
Wait. It's Collins. Listen.
I told you that I told you to do something. I told you to save her. Now she's dead. You're happy now, right? Are you happy? I'm going to go happy now.
Is it what I heard that Amanda is dead?
My own Amanda. You could have done something. We could have saved her. We could have reported to the king or anyone in higher authority. Look at it. Awugo, she's dead. And Cleopatra is freely walking around the village.
Dede, you are to be blamed for all this. When I told you the other time to stand up for this girl, you refused. Now look at where you have landed us.
Now what shall we do? Let us go and tell them to give us her body. Yes. Let them give us her body. When did she really die?
Are you asking me?
I don't know. I don't know, Dede. I told you. I told you, let's help this girl. Let's help this innocent girl, but you refused, Dede. Dede, are you that wicked?
But Dede really didn't have issues at all. For if you have played this role well, this girl wouldn't have died and we would have landed ourselves in this situation right now.
Amanda.
Now look at it.
Amanda.
Lost her.
Amanda.
Anyway, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
This money is concerned. You lucky love, she not the jump with the money. Anything she want, she dey go for it, yo.
Where is my special gold ring?
Don, I finally have the identity of the person who stole it, and I've given his picture to the police.
He used to be your fiancé. Now you are talking about another boy.
It's a nuisance. I mean, he's my pet, my sugar boy, my pet. He's the one that stole the...
We see.
He claims he's the son of the senator, Sadebe.
Senator Sadebe, that man is dangerous. I would not want to have any dealings with the son. Do whatever and get back the ring from him.
I swear I'm doing everything I can. I will get it back.